Alright, so are you ready for page 201? Okay, make sure you have done it before you watch this video, okay? It's for your own learning. So I trust you that you are honest, you try it out first, you do your very best before you check this, okay? So I'm on page 201, let's begin. Write in meters. Ravi cycled 3 km, kilometers, 329 meters from his school to a park. So we're going to convert this into meters. Okay, so 3 kilometers, 329 meters. So what is 3 kilometers? We know that 1 kilometers. Okay, it's good to jot this down every time. Okay, children. So I want to see this in your paper. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, right? So 2 kilometers is 2,000. 3 kilometers is therefore 3,000 meters. So 3,000 plus 329 is 3,329 meters. Okay? Now let's move on to B. Peter's house is 4 kilometers and 12 meters from the nearest MRT station. So 4 kilometers, 12 meters equals to how many meters plus 12 meters? So again, we know 4 kilometers, we need to convert these to meters, right? So 4 kilometers is 4,000 meters. Therefore, the total distance is 4,012. Okay, so make sure your number is correct, 4012. Okay, 4,000 plus 12. Next question C. The distance between a cinema and a shopping center is 5 kilometers, 707 meters. So now we need to change to meters. So we need to change these kilometers to meters first. So 5 kilometers is, good, I hear you, 5,000 meters plus 707 meters. We don't need to change these, right? Because it's already in meters. And so we add them up. You should get 5,707 meters. Did you get all these questions correct? Okay, so now you can see that the pattern, right? In kilometers, the number in kilometers, the value is always in the thousands place. So 9 kilometers, 908 meters. If we want to change to convert to meters, is 9,908. Okay? 8 kilometers and 6 meters to convert into meters is 8,000 plus 6. So 8,006. So it's 8,006. Okay. Now let's move on to page 202. So now we're going to convert, okay, from meters to kilometers and meters. So write in kilometers and meters. During a swimming practice, Peter swam 1,050 meters. Again, we know that 1,000 meters is equals to 1 kilometers. So 1,000, so we're going to split this into 1,000 meters plus 50. Am I right to say so? So if this is 1,000, so 1,000 meters is actually equals to 1 kilometer, and this one, there's no change, right? So it's 1 kilometers and 50 meters. Let's move on to question B. Siti lives 2,385 meters from her school. So again, we split this into thousands place and the rest of the value. So we have 2,000 meters plus 385 meters. So now we're going to convert these 2,000 meters into kilometers. So it is actually 2 kilometers, and this, there is no change because it's already in meters. So 385 meters. Next, question C. Janice and her family hiked 5,067 meters yesterday. So again, we're going to split into the 1,000 value plus, okay, the meters. So in this case is 5,000 meters plus 67 meters. So what is 5,000 meters? 5,000 meters is 5 kilometers. Is there any change for this? No change because it is the same unit in meters, so there's no change. Alright? So let's move. So since we can see the pattern now let's go, let's do question D and E without the workings. What is 3,060 meters in kilometers and meters? 3,000 is actually 3 kilometers, 60 meters, no change, right? Okay, next, 7,108 meters. Again, let's look at the thousands value, 7,000. So it's 7 kilometers. And what is the rest of the value? Okay, for meters is 108 meters. Okay, so we have come to the end of page 202. Okay, I hope you better understand how to convert from kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers. Alright, we'll have more practice, so don't worry about it. Well done, and see you again in the next video.